the series Virat Kohli. So honestly, just playing the way I have in the series have been the most satisfying things for me. ठीक है I don't think I have played at this level for a good 2-3 years now. कह रहे 2-3 साल के लिए मैं ऐसे खेलता हूँ, मतलब वो बोलने का था। ये haters को था बोलना. I feel really free in my mind. Just the whole game is coming together nicely. Very exciting to build on, and something that I have always tried to do as a player. Kind of maintain my own standard that I have set for myself and play at that level that I can make an impact for the team. And I know when I can bat like that out there in the middle, that of course help the team in a big way because I can bat long. I can bat according to the situation. I just being confident just make me feel like okay, any situation out there in the middle, I have what it make to handle the situation and bring it the favor of the team. When you play for the long 15-16 years, of course you are going to have many phases where and you doubt your ability, especially as a batsman, because you are relying on one mistake. So you tend to go into a space where you feel like maybe I am not good enough. The nerves take over. That's the beauty of the sport, especially a skill the batting where you have to keep overcoming that fear. यही बोला गया मतलब. So it's a whole journey of learning and getting to know yourself better and becoming better. वही बोला. और उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला so yes, I have had many phases where I have doubted myself and I have not been shy to admit it. So I think it's a pretty human part of anything journey for that long, but I am just glad that I am still able to contribute for the team. उसके बाद उन्होंने बोला when I play freely and then I know I can hit sixes, so I just wanted to have some fun because I was batting well. Just take a bit more risk, just push my own boundaries. उसके बाद I am just grateful for the how 3 games have gone. I want to make dent into the game. I want to do something special for the team. ठीक है ये बोला. And what we can do our skill set together to the situation. रोहित के साथ खेलने को बोला. Just happy that both of us continue to do so even now and help for the team. तो ये है कोहली ने बोला. थैंक यू फॉर योर सपोर्ट. लाइक कीजिएगा, शेयर कीजिएगा. कोहली ने बहुत सारी बातें बोली है, मैं आपको शॉर्ट में बताइए. उन्होंने बहुत सारी वैसे भी बातें बोली कि आई एम जस्ट सो रांची हैव वेरी स्पेशल फॉर मी बिकॉज इट्स